Cook's surname meaning and history presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English occupational surname for a cook, a seller of cooked meats, or a keeper of an eating house, derived from the Middle English word cook, meaning cook. Early bearers included Aelfsige Coc of England around the year 950 AD, Galter Coc of Essex in 1086, Richard Cocus from Berwick in 1147, Ralph le Cook from Sussex, England in 1296, and Robert le Cook from Sussex in 1327. Noble titles held included the Cooke Baronetcy of Wheatley Hall in the County of Yorkshire, which was created in the Baronetage of England in 1661 for Sir George Cooke in recognition of his father's services during the English Civil War. Noble titles held, again here we list the Cooke Baronets of Wheatley Hall all the way through the 12th Baronet, who died in 2017. And we show an oil painting of Sir George Cooke, the 7th Baronet, who died in 1823. Also, the Cooke Baronetcy of Broome Hall in the County of Norfolk was created in the Baronetage of England in 1663 for Sir William Cooke. The Cooke Baronetcy of Dublin was created in the Baronetage of Ireland in 1741 for Sir Samuel Cooke, a Member of Parliament. The Cooke Baronetcy of Doughty House in the parish of Richmond in the county of Surrey was created in 1886 for Sir Francis Cooke, a British merchant and art collector. He was also elevated to the status of Viscount in the peerage of Portugal in the same year. And here we see Doughty House, I believe. Knighthoods included Sir Anthony Cooke of Giddy Hall. He was an English humanist scholar and tutor to Edward VI, as well as Sir Edward Cooke of Giddy Hall, who was knighted in 1603. Sir William Bryan Cooke, born 1787, Mayor of Doncaster. Sir William Fothergill Cooke, born 1806, an English inventor who helped develop the electrical telegraph. Sir William Cooke, born 1572, of Hineham Court in Gloucestershire, was an English landowner and politician who sat in the House of Commons. General Sir George Cooke, born 1768, was a British Army officer who commanded the 1st Division and was overall command of the Prince of Orange at the Battle of Waterloo, as well as a list of several other knights, including one early one was Sir Thomas Cooke, citizen of London, knighted in 1465, Philip Cooke, knighted in 1497, and so on and so forth. Thomas Cooke, a goldsmith from London, knighted in 1680. Landed gentry included Cooke of Camerton in County Cumberland. Looks like the lineage began with Ralph Cooke, who purchased the estate in 1719. Cooke of Kiltane Castle in County Tipperary, Ireland, descended from Edward Cooke, the son of Peter Cooke. And Cooke of Knockgrafton in County Tipperary. Notables: Catherine Cook Briggs. She was an American writer and co-creator of the Myers-Briggs test along with her daughter, and she was the daughter of Albert John Cook, an entomologist and zoologist. Captain James Cook, British explorer, cartographer, and naval officer. Captain John Cook, born 1762, an experienced and highly regarded officer in the Royal Navy who saw action at the American War of Independence, French Revolutionary Wars, and the Napoleonic Wars. Captain Hugh Cook, who died in 1834, of the Royal Navy. Samuel Byrd Cook of the Royal Navy. Robert Cook, born 1795, an engineer. John Cook, an English academic who was administrator at the University of Oxford and president of Corpus Christi College. That's not John Fitzgerald Kennedy. We're going to skip this one. It looks like, I didn't write his name down here, but he was a member of Parliament for Malton in Yorkshire. Nicholas Cook, born 1717, was a governor of the colony of Rhode Island and Providence Plantations during the American Revolution. Early settlers included Francis Cook, who came to Massachusetts in 1620, James and Mark Cook, who came to Maine in 1622, Hester Cook, who came to Massachusetts in 1623, Aaron Cook, who came to Massachusetts in 1630, and Charles Cook, who came to Nova Scotia, Canada in 1749. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.